So lahat, ang dami naming tinry. Nag-war games kami, gano'n. So,
actually help yan eh.
Oo, para maramdaman mo talaga yung feeling nung kung ano yung pakiramdam ng nasa war ka talaga. And ayun, nakita naman namin yung chemistry ng lahat. Nag-training na kami, tapos dami namin pasaka lagi.
Super dami namin pinagdaanan bago mag-day 1. Honestly, mga siguro 4 months, not every day, but mga almost 4 months kami nag-train. So, ang dami namin pinag-aralan, ang daming first time kong ginawa personally na hindi ko na-expect na makakatawa pala.
Nagmotor ka na.
Wala pa yun. Pero yan, ang dami namin pinagdaanan bago mag-day 1. Kaya sa 4 months na yun, nabuo na rin yung friendship namin lahat.
So, yung training na yun, we were taught how to, yung mga room clearing, when entering building, tsaka dun makahalata kasi kung maganda yung chemistry and yung proper training, handling the weapons. So we would sometimes go to mga airsoft games, and then as a team, minsan iwaiwalay, tapos sa firing range, different weapons, lahat ng individual weapons na gagamitin namin, ng characters namin, kailangan namin aralin yung weapon na yun sa firing range. Aside from sa martial arts area, mga tactical moves for that. So, kasi nga, alam namin sobrang ma-action to.
Finger of the trigger. Finger
of the trigger. Lagi siyang finger on the trigger.
Delikado. Oo, delikado yan. Yes, Director.
So basically, before we start the show, we set up a training camp. The training camp is like an athlete's camp or a soldier's camp. How an athlete would prepare for a competition, that's how we do it. So they really endured a lot of pain and hard work.
So much pain.
They trained martial arts. We wanted to showcase Filipino martial arts in this show. Several kinds of Filipino knife fighting, sword fighting, and hand-to-hand combat. And then they also trained in real tactical close quarter combat. We trained under some of the best military consultants for them to teach us all, including us directors, how to fight a real battle inside a close quarter combat. We fired real guns. We fought in a simulated way, and then other than that. It's also a team building, but it's a grueling 4 months journey. So before we shoot the first day, medyo okay na yung bonding ng team.
Si Tomas, yung character ko dito, ano siya? Matapang lang. Tapos siguro, ano lang siya parang mahirap lang siya. Pero yun na kulang-kulang din siya. Pero ayun, meron siyang tapang and ano siya hindi siya discharged soldier. Parang hindi siya graduate kasi nagkaroon ng problema. Pero, ayun, nahanap ako ng mga to. Tapos, basta panoorin nyo. Nakita niyo.
Thank you, Anthony. At ang napaka-sexy si Maris Racal.
Hindi kasi pagdating ko dito ako sa gate.
At sumabit! Napunit! Yung pala yun, guys. Yung pala.
Pagdating po sa CCTV. Hindi ko nga din alam ba't ko ito sino. Anyway, yung name ng character ko dito ay si Gabriela Rivera. And sa grupo, she's also, magaling din siya sa hand-to-hand combat, tactical, yung fight. But yung specialty, yung ano niya dito, yung skill niya talaga dito, they call it the honeypot. So she infiltrates different groups. So she will be dealing with a lot of people. She's a shapeshifter-ish, and she speaks a lot of different languages.
On the brains.
So she's a spy.
Spy?
Yeah, she's a spy of the group. Yes. Well, yeah, yun ang masasabi ko pa ngayon. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Maris. Okay, next we have Baron.
Yeah, hello. Pumiyak ka. Hello. Yung character ko dito, sobrang mabuting tao.
Change of honor. Change of honor.
Medyo kinailangan ako yung workshop nila Miss Des, Sir Henry and the team. Hindi, bumagay naman kasi sa character ko, yung pangalan niya is Miguel Texon. Ang dami niyang skills set and ang laking tulong niya doon sa grupo kasi isa po siyang napakagaling na sniper. Isa rin po ako sa medic, doktor ng team. And isa rin po akong alcoholic. Recovering alcoholic. I think natutuwa po ako sa Full of Writers na Incognito na hindi lang pagdabol sa war, pati na rin yung pagdabol sa mental health and awareness na what addiction and kung ano pang mga PTSD at kung ano pang mga sakit na dinideal ng mga bawat characters dito. So maraming matututunan ang mga manonood dito.
So aside from the action, no, mayroon pang ibang mapupulot ang ating mga kapamilya pag nanood sila ng Incognito.
That's exactly right.
Okay, now let's go to Ian Veneracion.
Ako naman po, ang character ko dito, ako yung pinakabunso. So si Kuya DJ at si Kuya Charge. I play the role of Greg Paterno. And he has a long history of military service, has worked overseas. And he's a tactician, he's a planner. And siya yung nakikipag-negotiate for the whole team. And then siya rin na nagbe-brief kung ano yung situation, anong gagawin. And yun. And pero sarili niya, marami rin siyang nakaraan na unresolved issues, personal issues, na hindi ko pa siguro dapat i-disclose. Pero along the way, makikita rin kasi yung individual journey ng kada character. That's I think what makes it really interesting. Hindi lang siya action na bagilan, no. It's 7 different characters and different phases in their journey. Tapos nagtatagpo-tagpo sila. So minsan maganda minsan swak yung dynamics. Minsan may tension between characters. So it's really interesting.
So may depth din yung characters nila. But ako, I also want to ask, kasi fan talaga ako ni Ian Veneracion. We know that you fly also, di ba? You're a pilot. So magagamit niyo ba yun dito? Lahat ng skills namin, lahat siguro, nagagamit namin dito. Ooh, exciting.
Very excited. Sa trailer pa lang, di ba? Mate, that's a good teaser pa lang.
Din siya dito.
Alright, next we'll have Richard.
Yes, ako dito si Jose Bonifacio, discharged ex-Navy SEAL. Very competitive, very competent, mission-based yung objective lagi ni JB dito. Isa sa mga main objectives niya ay makabalik sa military. And I also come from a family of military men. So, yeah, exciting. Action character.
And now let's have Daniel Padilla.
Andres Malvar, Dugong Igorot, Makatao, at Discharged Scout Ranger. Yun ang muna.
Short but sweet, oo. Pero
Yeah, I played a lot of golf para makatao.
parang grabe yung build-up ko sa basketball
Hindi alam ng tao.
Focus. Hindi, ganun din yan, Muay Thai and basketball. Yeah.
Muay Thai basketball. Okay, thank you. May gusto pa po bang mag-add? Kalaki.
We have enough, but iba laki nung show. But with the help of everyone here, lahat sila talaga cooperative, team players. Diba? Hindi kami nahihirapan. So, maximize namin yung taping hours namin. Nagagawa namin yung dapat namin gawin because everybody is cooperative. Malaking bagay yun. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Ang professional. Siyempre, hindi naman natin masasagot nasagot yung actual figure. But Miss Des, would you say, syempre, you're the business unit head of Star Creatives, would you say this is one of the series na may one of the biggest budgets po sa ating history? Kasi nakita natin yung trailer, grabe! Opo.
Tama lang, pero meron kaming way to do things. Kaya ganyan siya kalaki, pero okay naman yung budget.
Oh, wow!
So yung answer na yun, okay lang yung budget.
Yes.
Sometimes there's times na kailangan mag-save din. Save on expenses. Alam natin yan.
Tinalinuhan po ng Star Creatives to. Kita-kita nyo, di ba? Ang laki ng budget, pero tinalinuhan natin yan. Yes. Thank you very much. Yes!
Showbiz, ito yung pinakamalaking nagawa ko na project. Hindi talaga. Kasi, I mean, the locations, we shot in Nido, Italy, and grabe yung scenes and boats and yung mga sabugan and all the effects. Sobrang laking, aside from the cast. So, sa akin personally, this is the biggest series na I've made.
We felt it nga po dun sa trailer. May payate pa bigla, mga ganun. Grabe talaga. Okay, Derek Lester, would you like to add to that?
When it comes to budget, I may say we are very fortunate with the support of ABS-CBN. Hindi naman siya sobrang laki, but it's enough na pinagkakasya. But the biggest part of it is we have the support of all the cast and the crew that we are very efficient. I think that's the key there, is very efficient. Meaning, when the call time is 8 a.m., at 9 we are grinding already, and then sasagad kami until 9 we are very, very efficient with the help of and the cooperation of the crew. We wrap after 12 hours. We go home, we are in our hotel rooms in 30 minutes time. That's something very different. And then, dahil yan sa professionalism ng buong crew at buong cast at lahat ng producers. And then one thing that is different, if you ask me kung gaano kahirap, actually, all of these guys made my job very easy because they're really the best in what they do.